the healthy eating pyramid. That is what is expected in your syllabus. This is the healthy eating pyramid. So, in the case of healthy eating pyramid, this is an idea developed by Harvard School of Public Health. You might have heard about Harvard University. One of the school or one of the main department is the School of Public Health. And they have developed an idea, and that idea is known by the name Healthy Eating Pyramid, suggesting how much quantities of each food category that a human should eat each day. So that idea will be given. That is, in every day when we are eating different type of food, how much amount of different type of food. For example, how much amount of milk you should take, how much amount of fat eggs you should take, how much amount of vegetables you should take, how much amount of fruits you should take. So that idea is actually provided by this healthy eating pyramid. So what advantage of healthy eating pyramid is that here you can see that this is an idea that gives you the healthy eating pyramid. So some of the items are at the bottom of the pyramid and some of the items are at the top of the pyramid. Those items which are present at the bottom of the pyramid should be taken in a higher quantity, and those items which are present at the bottom or top of the pyramid are taken only in a lesser quantity. So that is a idea that is provided by eating pyramid. Here you can see that there's a lot of exercise you should be ready to do. Then you should practice daily exercise and weight control. You should practice. Then you should drink a lot of water. Then you should have a lot of meat as well as vegetables in your food. So these are the items which are present at the bottom of the pyramid. Now above that you can see that vegetables and fruits are there. That also should be taken in a larger quantity. Then while going to the oils, you should only take sunflower oil or other kinds of healthy oil which are lesser in cholesterol. Then whole grains also you should take. So these are the items which are coming at the bottom of the pyramid should be taken in a higher quantity. Now if you go to the middle of the pyramid, you can see that nuts are present, then seeds, beans, etc. Then a tofu, a milk type product. So all these items along with the milk, along with the poultry like chicken, fish, then prawns, etc. All these should be taken in a moderate quantity. Then if you go to the upper level, you can see that low fat milk. The milk may be of different types. If you go abroad, sometimes they will give full cream milk. Full cream milk means milk containing whole fat. Normally when Milma or PDDP is supplying you milk, they will be removing a lot of fat and protein from them. So the milk that you are getting may not be containing all the fat content. A portion of the fat may be removed. So that kind of fat is known as a low fat milk. So that will give you the taste of the milk. At the same time, it will not be rich in fat. So drinking those kind of milk may not produce a lot of cholesterol in your body. Then you can also see cheese are also present. Then and some other along with the dairy. Then you have to also take low fat milk, and then I don't understand what is this thing that is present here. Now if you look at the topmost, you can see that there are made like a Coca-Cola. Then red meat. Problem with the red meat is that there are two types of meat. The cow's meat or buffalo meat is red meat, whereas the meat of a chicken or hen is actually white meat. So eating red meat contains more amount of cholesterol. So that will be increasing the level of cholesterol in your blood. So you should not take a lot of buffalo meat or cow's meat or red meat. And also butter. Here you can see the butter and other products are here shown here. Then refined grains like white bread, rice, pasta, etc. That should not be taken in a higher quantity. And similarly, sugary drinks like Coca-Cola, Sprint, or Pepsi, or fruit juice, etc. That you should not take in lot of quantity. Then you should also reduce the consumption of sweet like chocolates and salt. If you are taking a lot of banana chips or potato chips, that will be rich in salt. All these will be increasing the amount of salt in your body. If more salt is taken, that will be increasing the blood pressure of your body. So this idea is actually presented in this pyramid-like shape. That is why that is known by the name healthy eating pyramid. The advantage is that if a normal person without a lot of technical knowledge is looking at this pyramid, he will be able to immediately understand what sort of food material I should take in larger quantity and what kind of food materials I should not eat too much. That is the idea that is present in healthy eating pyramid. So it is intended to provide more sound eating guide. So when we say about balanced diet or other things, many of the people may not be able to understand it properly. That is why this Harvard School of Public Health come forward with a simpler idea of called eating pyramid or healthy eating pyramid. Or actually, this Harvard and it is supported by U.S. Department of Agriculture also. So it is actually a graphic representation of principles of healthy eating, or general idea showing how to compose your menu for the benefit of your health. So this is known by the name healthy eating pyramid. Here you can see that what are the items that you should take. Already I have explained those items which are present at the lower level of the food. Here you can see the vegetables, salads, etc. You have to take a lot of that. Whole meals, breads, potato also that you can take. Milk, a moderate amount of milk, yogurt, cheese. Then going to the meat, poultry, fish, you should not take a lot of that. Then fat, spread, oil, etc. That also you should reduce. For example, if every day you are eating bread and along with bread you are applying this fat spread or cheese spread or butter on the bread, that will be increasing the fat content of your body. So these are the, here you can see that the Coca-Cola, then jams, etc. All these will be rich in calorie that will be increasing the body weight. So this idea is actually presented by the food pyramid, and this is actually developed by US Department of Health. Now, one important thing about vegetable is that vegetable is at the lowest of the floor. Here you can see that. One problem generally people in Kerala and most time in India also, we eat a lot of fish, we eat a lot of meat, chicken, etc. But our consumption of vegetables is very low. If you go abroad, you can see that the Europeans will be eating a lot of meat. But along with every meat, they will be also taking a lot of salads or vegetables, fresh vegetables or fruits. A salad is an important part of their diet. That is why if you go to big malls like Lulu, they have different types of salad, like Russian salad, Greek salad, Mediterranean salad. This is actually developed by the European people. So this is one problem generally we face in our food. We take a lot of fish, meat, etc. But at the same time, our consumption, our eating of vegetables, and especially our eating of fruits is very low. Because fruits only gives you a lot of vitamins and minerals. If you are eating vegetables, that will give you some amount of protein and other things. But if you need fresh vitamins, you need to take a lot of fresh vegetables as well as fruits like banana. For example, there is a saying that eating an apple every day keeps doctor away, because apple is rich in a lot of vitamins and minerals. So if you have the habit of eating one apple a day, that will give you sufficient vitamins and minerals to keep your body healthy and in an optimum condition. So remember these important principles of healthy eating, and that is what is provided in the food pyramid produced by or created by Harvard School of Public Health, and also supported by Department of US Department of Health. So these are the ideas that is presented in the healthy eating pyramid. Now we go to another